Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay and today I am going to teach you something special in Excel. Today I will teach you how we can add more data to these numbers that we have written here, how we can manage them, how we can multiply them, and how we can divide them. And after that, I will teach you that, for example, when we type 1 here, then 2 here, and after that, when we drag it, the rest of the numbers automatically appear here. Similarly, if we want to add numbers alphabetically here, like I typed this here or I typed B here, we select both of them and drag them. We don't get A, B, C, D in this way, so how can we add them? Today, I am going to teach you about these two commands. Before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you learn something new, then don't forget to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. So first of all, let's talk about this. Look, here we have this data and I want to add 10 more to it right here. We want to add 10 to all the values at once, meaning this 65 will become 75, this will become 45, this will become 80, this will become 50, and this will become 65. So what do we need to do for this? Here I have type 10. Now click here. After clicking, we need to copy this. After copying, you need to see the magic, how we can add data to all the cells at once, subtract it, divide it, and even multiply it. Select all the cells and after selecting, go to home, then come to paste special, and after that click on paste special. Here if you click on add, the 10 that we have will be added to all of them. If you select subtract, they will be subtracted. If you select multiply, they will be multiplied, and if you select divide, they will be divided. Now if we click on add and then click OK, you will see that instead of 65, it will become 75 here. So you can see here that 75, 45, 80, 465, all of these have had 10 added to them. In the same way, next what I am going to teach you, let me tell you, for example, if we type 1 here, or after that if we type 2 here, and after typing 2, if we drag it downwards, you can see it drags for us. Similarly, if you type A here and then type B and drag it, it doesn't drag for us here. So how do we do this? For this, we will write equal to here, then write a small formula, char here, and type CHAR, and then use the tab key. We have this formula. And then if you want to type small letters here, you have to type the number 96 here. So for now, I am typing here. First, I did it in small letters, so here I typed 96, then pressed plus, and then typed row. We will use the row function here, and after that we will start from 1, and then you have to close the bracket. After closing the bracket, when you press enter, you will see that A has appeared here. Now as we drag this, you will see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So you can see that we are getting the alphabetic sequence here. And if you want to get the numbering in capital letters, like here we have small letters. To add capital letters, we have to write equal to here and then type char, use the char function, type 64, then add plus, and then use the row function here. After that, type 1, close the bracket and press enter. See, now I have capital letters here. As you drag, you will see that the capital letters are being dragged here like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and so on up to where we need. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you about 2 amazing tips and tricks. I hope you definitely learned something new from this lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.